Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to hide full screen notifications when the screen is off in Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, go to notification. Okay, tap the notifications. And notifications, go to do not disturb. Okay, tap this. And do not disturb, okay, scroll down and find the hide notifications. Okay, tap this. And hide notifications, you can see the hide full screen notifications. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to hide full screen notifications when the screen is off, you all have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully hide full screen notifications when the screen is off in Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.